sorry, I'm a little wet. Anyway, hey guys, it's your girl Kinks. I'm here to show you how I detangle my hair. I'm going to show you the products that I use, which is just a little conditioner with some water. This is a personal concoction of mine. A water bottle, the detangling brush, and a wide tooth comb. You'll also need 1,000 clips and some rubber bands. Now let's get started. First, I like to spritz my hair with the water bottle to moisten up the dry ends and kind of help loosen up the knots and tangles. It's been 3 weeks, y'all. Bear with me. You want to separate your hair in small, manageable sections and pinning the rest away for later. Do the same thing to the other side. And I like to show you guys a little trick that I use when I get knots in my hair that are stubborn. Instead of ripping through my hair, I will spritz it with a little bit of water and gently rake my hands through it, pulling downwards on the knot. That helps to loosen it up tons to where I don't have to lose a bunch of my hair. Yay me. Because I recorded this section totally out of the camera view, I'm going to give it another shot on this side. After I have sectioned my hair off into 4, I will split those sections again, making a total of 8 sections of my hair. I start off with a little bit of the conditioner and water mixture to help add slip to my hair. Just gently raking that through, not too much manipulation. Start combing your hair with the wide tooth comb from the bottom, working your way up slowly to the top as the knots loosen up. This will help to prevent any additional breakage or unnecessary breakage from improper combing. And then I just like to follow it up with a detangling brush. After that, we just twist it up and put it out of the way to move on to the next section. It seems like a very simple process because it is, but it gets complicated when you're looking to retain your hair length if you're doing it improperly. I hope this video was helpful and helps you all to retain your hair length and reach your hair goals. But until next time, bye.